Sideburns on the side of my face as my head turns. You can see they're in the same place on either side. Burns, they can't be replaced. My insides burn when I think of the days before my sideburns. Look at my sideburns, but don't touch my sideburns. Why would you do that? My heart yearns for my own sideburns. My side actually burns now. What is that? What the hell, man? What is my sideburn? What the hell's going on? My sideburns. Does anybody have some aloe vera? If you do, bring it backstage, I'll pay it back. 1985, from the womb I came out on my birthday. The doctor said, what you crying about? I said, is that a rhetorical question? You know why I cried. I have a serious lack of hair on the side of my head. Little baby people don't have sideburns, they gotta grow them when they're older. But if your little baby already has sideburns, that's awesome, don't be concerned. Don't be concerned about your little bitty baby with the big sideburns. You should not be concerned about the little bitty baby with the big sideburns. Your little baby gonna be a pimp. Your little baby gonna be a little baby pimp. You should probably discourage that kind of profession because it's illegal and your baby's too young to be concerned about starting a business. But that's impressive if it's got the mindset. My sideburns, look at my sideburns, back on track, talking about sideburns. My sideburns, look at my sideburns, Lulu sideburns.